So in this question, we like to find angle ACB. Now, for us to find angle ACB, we need to find two angles. One, we need to find this angle. We need to find this angle, and we need to find this angle also. So with those three angles, we can find this angle. So once we have these two angles, angle CAB and angle ABC, we can use the properties of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and that will give us angle ACB very easily. Now, first, let's start with this angle DAC. Now, if you look at this is a circle with a diameter DC and center O. An angle formed at the circumference of a circle by a diameter is always 90 degrees. So angle DAC is 90 degrees. So we're through with the first angle. Now, the second angle is angle CAB. Now, you can also see that line AB is parallel to line DC. Therefore, angle ACD is alternate to angle CAB. So once we get ACD, then we can also get CAB. So let's start with ACD. ACD is, we can use triangle ADC. Angles in interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can say 90 plus 55 plus angle ACD is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ACD is equals to 180 degrees minus 145, and that gives us 35 degrees. So this angle is also 35. Now, let's come to this one. Now, if you got this one, then this also 35, because that property is called interior alternate angles, and these are formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. Line AC is called a transversal. With that, we have got two angles now. The remaining angle will be angle ABC. So how do we get angle ABC? That is the question. Now, if you look at the whole figure inside the circle, which is ABCD, is a quadrilateral, and the opposite interior angles of a quadrilateral are always supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, 55 plus angle ABC will be 55 plus ABC is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ABC is 125 degrees. So we have got angle CAD, which is 35. We have got angle ABC, which is 125. Therefore, we can get ACB easily, because that is, we can say from triangle ABC, 35 plus 125 plus angle ACB will add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees minus 160 degrees. Therefore, angle ACB is 120 degrees.